What's up, everybody? Welcome back here on the channel. Today we have a small Matchbox haul. I'm mentioning it in every video. Unfortunately, this year Matchbox Mainlines in my area here in Germany very hard to find, and I'm still missing some new 2024 mainline models, and that is really unfortunate. I hope I can find them till the end of the year so that I can do my top 10 video as every year. We will see. Now, I'm glad I found at least some Matchbox mainlines. Basically, I think this is the K case, or let's say part of the K case. Some models I think were already missing. For example, I'm still missing the Mercedes something SL. I think this one should have been in this case, but it was already gone, so that's all I found. I found these, by the way, at Woolworth. That's a store I normally can't find anything, but this time I was lucky. So let's get started and let's take a look at the models. This is the first one. I was really after this one because I thought it was a new casting, or it is a new casting, but it isn't. This is the Lamborghini LM002. This is something Lamborghini did back in the days. From when is this thing? 2014. I mean, this is really cool. I think they made this in the 80s, and I think this thing is just a little bit odd, and that's why I love it. Really cool. And by the way, I think one of the coolest versions was owned by Tina Turner. You have to look that up. I think she made some changes. I don't know, she put a Mercedes engine in it. I don't know. Really cool. Yeah, but this one looks really good in this, what's that? Flat gray, flat silver. Not too much deco, as you can see. Some headlights. And we get some details on the back, license plate saying LM002, and I think this is this old Lamborghini badge. Yeah, pretty nice model, and although it isn't definitely a new casting, I really like this one, and there was only one left, by the way. Then we have a recolor for the 2019 Mazda 3. Now, this is in kind of a champagne color. I think it's the third or fourth recolor. I think we've seen it in black, in red. I think that one didn't look too good. I'm not really sure in blue. This version looks really good. Open window here on the side, by the way, on both sides. I think this is a nice combination. Some details on the back and on the front. Nice wheels. So this one looks really good. Nothing too spectacular, although then we go on with the 2016 Chevy Camaro Convertible. Yeah, I'm not too much into US cars, but I think this one is a nice version. I really like these white five spokes. I think it's a good match. We get some details on the front, some racing stripes, and a nice blue metallic livery. Nice addition. Then we go on with a recolor for the 2023 Jeep Avenger. I think we've only seen it in yellow so far. Don't know if I'm right. Man, this is so hard to open. but it's nice that they give us their best and strongest cardboard. Here it is. Details on the front and on the back. Unfortunately, we don't get a license plate. As you can see, the whole roof is a plastic. Looks a little bit weird. So it's not, I mean, basically it's transparent, but you can't see through. Yeah. Now I see it. I mean, the mirrors do look really weird in this transparent plastic, in my opinion. Okay, but rest is pretty nice. Then we have this guy here. I guess this is in some countries, I think especially in the US, this is a real pack warmer, the Citroen Ami. I really like it. I really like this one. Such a weird little micro car or whatever you call that. First I thought it was I didn't realize that it was a new color, but the first version was in a, I think in a flat gray. Now we have this silver version, and yeah, I really like this one. I mean, you don't even know where's the front and where is the back, but yeah, you can only see that if you take a look inside. Yeah, this one's really cool. I really like it. So let's put our small electric car into the parking lot as we go on with the 1994 Lexus LS 400. This is, oops, sorry, I think it's the third version. The first version was kind of a champagne color. Then we had the 70 years anniversary version in silver, I think, and now in black. I mean, always when I see these from far away, I always think it's a Mercedes. From the side, not from the front, but from the side it looks like an old Mercedes. Anyways, yeah, metallic. Can you say metallic black? I don't know. So maybe it's a very dark gray. Whatever. We have some metallic flakes in this black. Details on the front and on the back. That's it. Nice. Then I think this is a new casting, the 1962 Ford Anglia, Harry Potter themed. I mean, yeah, it's a new casting, definitely. Here it is on the packaging. Pretty obvious. So yeah, I'll be honest with you, I haven't seen Harry Potter movie, or when I've seen one, I can't remember it. Yeah, this. I have to say, it's just not my era of cars, and this thing, I don't know, is maybe not the most beautiful car they ever designed. I mean, this weirdly shaped C-pillar is an example that, you know, if you just saying everything that looks different is good, I don't know. It looks different, but in my opinion, definitely not good. It's a flat baby blue color. Looks a little bit strange, I have to say. And I think the stuff on the side should mimic rust, I guess, but it's more golden, I would say. Yeah. Some details on the front. A license plate on the back. I guess it's definitely something to do with a Harry Potter movie or the books. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. It's something that we put into the parking lot as we take a look at our last one. This is also a new casting, the Radical SR3 XXR. Yeah. There we go. I'll be honest with you, I have no idea what this thing is exactly made for. maybe for mountain racing or something, could be. But yeah, looks pretty good. We got a red stripe all over our model in glossy black, a logo on the front, a huge winglet saying Radical. Yeah, new model, looks good. Put it into the parking lot and let's take a look at our models. Yeah, you know, I'm always picking a favorite at the end of my videos, and this time it's not a new model. I would say it's this guy here. I really like it that I found this weird Lamborghini, although it's an older casting, but it's my first version of this Matchbox model. Yeah, I really like this one. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Happy hunting. See you next time. Bye.